Here we are with the Roberts R827 that I've repaired for a quick demo. It's pretty cold out here, so I'm not going to be out here for long, but let's put the power on.
This is Radio 2 on the sounds app.
So we're on FM.
And on 88 and 91 FM.
Let's just get the aerial up. Right, there we are.
The French President Emmanuel Macron in Paris.
So FM, dial's moving fine. We can put it in direct 100.0.
Joint Command Centre and 500 extra
Fine.
officers patrolling beaches.
Long wave.
European Union and not just France and UK have to work closely together in order precisely to dismantle this group and to be more efficient regarding this.
Wide and narrow.
Two sons have been found dead at a house in southeast London. They've been named as 47-year-old Nadia Deyesha, 9-year-old Alexander, and Maximus, who is 7.
I think the phones interfere with it a little bit.
Yesterday afternoon, following reports of concern.
Medium wave. I think this scans. Let's have a go.
We're aware, of course, that it's Friday and it's traditionally a busy pub.
It confirms their family's concerns that the wreckage wasn't discovered for almost 48
Okay,
hours.
shortwave. Let's do something that we know something's going to be. So 11, 950. Let's go. Keep it wide. Usually something around 12.
سال پس از آن که به سفارت ریاض در تهران حمله شد و بعد دنبال اعدام روحانی شیعه حالا عربستان سعودی و ایران موافقت کردند که روابط دیپلماتیک را
try some amateur radio.
اعضای خانواده های
So
افرادی
let's
که
go
در یک
14
طالبان در شهر مزار
250.
کشته شدند
BFO on.
Italia November 3, X-Ray Sierra Victoria, our Lagorai. Italia 3, X-Ray Sierra Victoria, stazione valida, diploma Lagorai, Howard Lagorai. Italia Norveggio 3, X-Ray Sierra Victoria, chiama.
Let's try 40 meters. 7100.
Mark and I will be working mobile HS. Papa Echo 2 Delta G0 TS.
Yeah, working very well. The light works. I don't think we're going to be able to see it, but you can't see it. It's not dark enough. The light does work. What we on the side? So we got fast, fine. It's all working. Yeah. So there we are. Fully sorted. Thanks for watching.